Hello student, in this lecture we will study about the shift reduce parsing. So what is shift reduce parsing? Shift reduce parsing is a technique to construct a parse tree in similar manner as done in bottom up parsing. This is a type of bottom up parsing. The parse tree is constructed from leaves to the root. It is also called LR parser. This parser uses a stack to hold the grammar and an input tape to hold the string. Shift reduce parsing performs two actions, shift and reduce. That's why it is known as shift reduce parsing. Shift means at the shift action, the current symbol in the input string is pushed to a stack, and in reduce action, at each reduction, the symbols will be replaced by the non-terminals. Means the whole string is inputted into the input tape, and the parser will scan the whole string left to right, one symbol at one time. So let us take an example. Here an input string is W equal to A plus B, and productions rules are productions rules are E tends to E plus E, E tends to A, and E tends to B. So for parsing this string, we will take a parsing table which contains three columns: stack, input string, and action. In stack, we place an dollar symbol at the beginning of the stack, and in input string we will place an dollar symbol at the end of the string. Now the parser will scan the input string, so the stack scanner is in the place of A, and A is scanned, and the action will taken as shift A, means the A will be shift on the stack. Now the input string will be plus B dollar, and the action will take in place here because the A is a terminal symbol, and this terminal symbol is replaced by or reduced by the non-terminal symbol E. So the action is we will reduce A from capital E. Now the input string is plus B dollar. Then the scanner head is on the plus symbol, and now it is a operator symbol. So the plus will be shift on the stack. Now the input string will be the plus dollar, and the action is here. The header is on the place of B, so the B is shift into the stack. Now the stack contains the dollar E plus B. So here B is a terminal symbol, so B is replaced by the non-terminal symbol E. Now the stack contains the $E plus E, and the input string the header will be on the dollar. So the reduction is taken place here, and the E plus E is reduced by E. So the stack contains the dollar E, and input string will be also a dollar. So the dollar and dollar will be accept the string. So this string is acceptable by the shift reduce parser. Thank you, students. In next lecture we will discuss about the operator precedence parsing. Thank you.